Hello, welcome back. Today I have, as the title says, I have a BeautyBay makeup haul. So last week BeautyBay had like a 40% off sale, and I went kind of crazy and I bought a few items. That's why I got 2 packages, because I bought a few items. It's okay, it's okay. Everything was super affordable, so that's my excuse. Don't at me. Okay, so if you guys live in Europe, you know that BeautyBay is the place to shop your makeup. Obviously there's more places that sell makeup, hello, like Sephora, Cult Beauty, Primer, but I don't know, it's something about BeautyBay. They have like a special place in my heart, and I think it's because they have more affordable brands and everything is a little bit more affordable. Obviously they do have more high-end brands as well, more expensive, but you know, I'm all about affordable. Cheap AF. Yeah, kinda. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I purchased from BeautyBay, please subscribe first, you know, hit that red button and also hit the bell to get post notification every single time I'm posting a new video. And in today's video I'm going to shout out Bubble Tea. Thank you so much for your support, you are super kind. And yeah, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start with the small box, and everything is super well wrapped. I cannot complain about that. And I also have the prices right here. I don't want to show you the total, but okay, so I bought this Mario Badescu ceramide eye gel. I don't think I mentioned this in my videos, but I don't really believe in under eyes creams. Like, if that's super high, very highly concentrated, why I cannot apply that all over my face, like to have the same benefits for my entire face, you know what I'm saying? That's kind of crazy to me. Like why this has to be only for the under eye? I totally get it, the under eye area is a little bit more sensitive, but I hope I make sense. I don't believe in under eye creams, whatever they are called. And you better believe that I'm going to apply this all over my face. Okay, this was 10 euros and 38 cents. I don't know the original price, but wow, affordable. Okay, next we have the Revolution Pro. This is the lipstick collection in matte red. I don't know if you guys know, but last year I did a review on the nude collection, and I want to film with these as well. And I know I don't have to use a lip liner, so I won't use a lip liner when I'm going to apply these on my lips. Okay, this was 5 euros and 63 cents. Okay, next we have 2 products from Dose of Colors. I really want to try more of their products, but I feel like they are a little bit more pricey, and when BeautyBay has a sale, I have to take advantage of that. So I got a single eyeshadow. This is called Block Party eyeshadow, and the color is Leave Me Alone, and this was 8 euros and 50 cents. And then I got this eyeliner in the shade New Flame, is like a red color, and this was 9 euros and 10 cents. As I said, a little bit more pricey. And I'm going to swatch this because I want to see the color. Like online it looked very reddish kinda, and the packaging is very cute. It looks like a pencil. Oh, okay. Wow, it's very creamy, and it's more like a burgundy red, mauvish, I don't know. It's pretty, doesn't smell. And the eyeshadow is more like a dark green. Wow, so pretty. Look how sparkly that is. Okay, let's see. Doesn't smell. I don't know why I keep smelling products. It feels a little bit dry, I'm not gonna lie, but the color is so pretty. Moving on, we have the Zoeva mini eyeshadow. This is the Soft Sun, and this was 12 euros. And wow, ooh, very fancy Zoeva. What? This is so cute. So it says Rise and Shine. The pens are very small, but the colors are so pretty. Like this pink right here, wow. And I don't really want to touch them, but I'm going to. Wow, it feels very soft. That's so pretty. So this is called Red Sea. Let's see, Romance. Romance. That's cute too. This reminds me of an eyeshadow that I have in the Carly Bible palette. Wow. So yeah, let me know down below if you guys want me to film a review or first impressions. Just let me know. Next we have this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Illuminati. Kathleen Lights mentioned this. It was on sale, so I had to. You know what I'm saying? This was a little bit more expensive. It was 17 euros and 15 cents. Oh, that's expensive for a loose highlight, you know what I'm saying? But it was on sale, so oh, looks pretty. The packaging feels cheap. Like cheap plastic, you know, it's not heavy, it's not okay. So yeah, this is the shade. Oh yeah, okay. I'm not gonna swatch this because I don't want to. Okay, I'm going to swatch it. You can't really tell on camera, but it looks so beautiful. Please focus. But as I said, this container feels kinda cheap. Anyway, it's not my business. And last product in this small packaging, I got the Ardell 500 Black. They're so wispy and beautiful. And I paid 3 euros and 85 cents. Like crazy affordable. Okay, so this is all I had in this small packaging. Now let's do this big woman. So this box is from Mitchell, collaboration with BeautyBay. It's so cute. It's pink. Look how cute and pink that is. And also they sent like info card. Interesting. Okay, so I'm going to go with this Su. I'm not very familiar with this brand, but this is a lip kit and it says So Kiss Me. My Ex Calling. This was 7 euros and 77 cents. Ooh, that's so nice. Like, I like that. The packaging looks very cute though. So this is the lipstick. Wow, how pretty. Smells like lipstick. I'm going to swatch it right here. Oh my god, that's so pigmented. I barely touched my skin. What? I want to see the lip pencil. Wow, it's so creamy and the color is so pretty. So, Su, wait, they have a name. Susan Jackson, maybe? I don't know exactly. As I said, I'm not familiar with this brand, but wow, My Ex Calling. Next we have 2 lip liners from Makeup Revolution or Revolution Pro. I don't know exactly. I think it's the same brand. Anyway, so I got the shade Noble and Chauffeur, I guess. These are the... Okay, so this is the Renaissance lip liner. It's the same collection as the Flick liner. This is not from this haul. I bought this a while ago. This is a backup. I love this so much. So the Renaissance collection is so pretty. I think they have this rose gold packaging. Let's see. Wow, it looks so pretty. Wow, that's so sharp. The color is pretty as well. So this is Noble, and then we have Chauffeur. I don't know if I'm saying that right. No! It's in here. Okay. Okay, so this is not retractable. I mean, I don't think so. No, they are not. Anyway, I'm going to take this to do a swatch. Ooh. Cute. Not as creamy as this one from Sosu, but still cute. And they do have different prices. One of them was €3 and the other one was €2.75. I don't know which was €3. Why? This is a brand new shirt from AliExpress. I knew it. I knew it. Next we have this Ofra lipstick. This is in the shade Charmed, and this was €5.98. I really like their formula. They feel so nice on the lips. Wow, this color is so pretty. I'm going to swatch it right here. Wow. So cute. Oh, it smells so sweet. So yeah, Charmed. Then again we have another lip product. This is from Hank and Harry. This is their lip luster glass in the shade Your Mom. My ex calling Your Mom. These names, wow. So I wanted to try their lip glosses for so long, but because of the price I didn't bought any. So now, because they were on sale, I bought one to see if I like it or not. I paid €8.38, and I think that the full size is like €17 or so, and as Kathleen Lights would say, that's expensive. Wow, the packaging is cute. Wow, it smells like mojito. It smells like mint. I really hope it has that tingling effect. Let's swatch this, but it's a lip gloss. Wow, it feels thick. So yeah, it's a lip gloss. I don't know if you can see that right here. Smells good. Wow, I really like this smell. Next we have a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. This is a mini, it says fun sized eyeshadow palette. This is the creme brulee, and I paid €12.03. I never tried Violet Voss or Zoeva, so I kind of want to expand my horizon. So yeah, I want to try different brands, because I feel like I always buy the same brands, if that makes sense. Smells nice. So this is how it looks. Wow, it's so cute. It's more like a natural everyday eyeshadow palette with a pop of color right here. I don't usually wear these colors, but I had to try Violet Voss. They had another one, it was more like pink and purples, but I already have so many pinks and purples, and I wanted to try this one. Let me know again if you want me to film like first impressions or review on this eyeshadow palette. Let's swatch this one because it's right here. So this is the brightest shade. Oh, this is this shade right here. This one looks cute, right? Let's swatch this one right here. Oh, okay. Okay, and last but certainly not least, we have a BeautyBay palette. This is a multi-use palette. I'm going to show you in a second, but this was a gift. I mean, not really a gift. I had tribe points and I used them, and the selection for the points is like kind of sad, but anyway, I went for this palette and let's see if I like it. Oh, okay, the packaging is very cute. Let's see, what is this? What? Okay, so as I said, they sent a few stickers, very cute. And this is the palette. It's called Living My Best Light, and right here it says Smolder. This is the Bouncy Beam Multi-Use Highlighter Palette. Let's open this puppy to see how it looks. Wow, the pans are huge. We see the size of these pens, like, oh my god. Let's try Jackpot. Jackpot. Wow, it feels creamy, as it says bouncy. Yeah, it feels kind of bouncy. Wow, this as an eyeshadow, oh my god, because let's be honest, I won't wear this on my face, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, oh, piece of plastic. Let's swipe it right here. Okay, let's try Reflection. Oh, this is not as bouncy as Jackpot. Oh, that's cute too. You see, this is more wearable. Alright, so this is all I bought from BeautyBay, you know, 40% off. Give it to me. So as I said, let me know down below if you want me to film a review or first impressions on these two mini eyeshadow palettes. Obviously, I'm going to use all the products in my future videos, but if you want me to film like a review or first impressions on these two palettes, just let me know down below. As I said, I want to film a video with this lipstick collection as well. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. They don't have ColourPop, but they should. You know, ColourPop on BeautyBay. Oh my god. Wow. Yeah. BeautyBay, we need ColourPop. And I feel like...
I'm listening.
Shh. Zip it. Why would you do that? Smelling this. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Loose highlight. Oh my god, I have a fly. It's right here. Okay, we are friends now.